Hello YouTube, hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, and recently I've got an email from YouTube telling me to make good quality content for you guys within the next 14 days, or else I would lose my monetization. None of my videos has ever been planned before, and so this is an on-demand video. On-demand creativity. Well, that is one of the hardest things to do in this world. Ask any designer or content creator. Enough said, let's get on with it. Okay, to make this video as successful as possible from beginning, I would like to have a look at what you people see on my channel. I know my channel is all over the place and I would like to be more consistent with my content. Now let's have a look at YouTube Analytics. Okay, I've opened YouTube Analytics and sorted my video in most views on top. And as you can see here from the beginning of time. Let's talk about the top 5 videos. The most viewed upload on my channel is how to get free energy from neighbor's scrap washing machine, which is a video that shows exactly what the title says. In the video, I walk through how to wire the motor from a Siemens washing machine through a bridge rectifier to convert its AC output to a direct current. The output surprised me very much, and if you're into alternative energy from scrap, you definitely should have a look. Links are provided in the description below. The next video is my cover song of the famous and wonderful singer Tracy Chapman, The Promise. I made this for my wife, for her to walk the aisle at our wedding. I've never been much of a speaker and did not plan any speech for her. Instead, I made this recording, which says a lot about my feelings for her in general. We had a wonderful day, and perhaps a third of these views comes from ourselves when remembering the good times. Next in line is my video with fun facts about people having sex. I made this video during my study to graphics designer, and it has some moving objects and etc. for being evaluated at a course. Not much heart is put into it, but apparently women at the age of 25 to 34 living in the States likes these kind of videos. Number 4 is a test and review of the video quality in a Denver AC-5000W, which is a GoPro lookalike action camera. This camera has a really poor anti-shock system, if at any. I tested it on my 1964 vintage Velo Solex 2200 moped. At a price around $100, you probably wouldn't expect any better quality anyways. Finally, yet importantly, is how to make the world's easiest homemade caramel fudge. I guarantee that you will never have to buy caramel again. This recipe is so easy to make that it's like watching paint dry. If you like caramel, you would want to watch this one. Okay, so we had a look at what you guys view the most of my videos. Back to YouTube's demand of me making a new video, I'll probably have to sing to food while being creative and testing new energy options. The part about sex is better off in another platform, I think. Okay, so how about that creativity? How can we be creative on demand? Well, that depends. Are you trying to make a logo for a customer? Are you planning on being creative with your kids? What about that creative content for YouTube? That's a good one then. Yeah, well, creativity is learnable. It's not only gifted people who is creative. Everybody can learn how to be creative. Steve Jobs once said, creativity is just connecting things. And yes, I agree. How about connecting old things in a new way? That's creative. What about nature? Take a walk in nature. See what millions of years of evolution has done. Nature is creative all the time. What about this one? Creativity is not a thing that you can turn on or off. It's more like a flow of water. A flow of water which, with the right tools, you can change its heading. So, are there any way that you can be more creative? Well, yes, there is. Eleanor Roosevelt once said that you must do the things you think you cannot do. And I think I know what she meant. Because when you do something that you're not used to be doing, your mind develops in a new way. It connects your brain cells in a new way. And hence that your mind starts to evolve and think more creative. So push yourself into trying new things. Try new food, try a new commute. And what about trying... And what about taking, once again, a walk in nature? So, in our search for being creative on demand, why did we end up back in nature? Well, that's because nature has the ability to raise more questions than answers. And in that process, you widen your creative mindset. When asking yourself a question that you don't know the answer to, you immediately start thinking and try to develop the answer. That's the mind's creative thinking you're massaging there. Why is a snail round and not square? Why does a horse chestnut look like a medieval Morning Star weapon? And here you are, at the end of a 10-minute long YouTube video about creativity, in which I had no idea that I was about to make. Creativity took us there. And why? Simply because I changed my mindset from anxiety to saying, hello job, there you are. I'm looking forward to seeing the end result. We took a walk, saw a snail, drew a couple of logos, and had fun in After Effects. Oh, yeah, and the kids